Alright, we're at the John Deere section. 4020. 4320. Everything big is here. John Deere 720. Then we had some Farmalls sneak in. Farmall, I would say 340. 1086 Turbo International. 656 diesel. And Oliver 1650. An Oliver 88. An Oliver in yellow.
Looking at it and I'm like, it takes too much work to make this thing.
Farmall C. Farmall H. Ford Powermaster. Ford 4000. With a saw on the back. So cut wood.
So in that last event, which was the
Ford
if you watched it, I had
four-wheel drive.
in
4610.
time of 18.05
A
seconds.
Ford
We have Grant Foreman from Marysville, Ohio.
TW20.
In second place, we have Josh Wilson out of Morgantown, West Virginia, with a
Now we're getting into the John Deere
23.5 second cut. In
Nice
third
Ford over
place,
there.
We have Alex Storm
John Deere
from
730.
Chambersburg with a 25.
John Deere 530.
In fourth place, we have Jack Brown.
John Deere H.
27.18 seconds.
Just a John Deere. I think it's a B. Might be an A. Smaller John Deere. Massey Harris. 1001 Junior. Super M. John Deere 530. John Deere B. John Deere 2510 diesel. John Deere H. Let's just say all John Deere. A 60. A G. 4320. 4020. 4320. 4520. A 4,000. Just 4,000. 4240. A John Deere, it looks like a 5020. I'm gonna say that, but I could be wrong. $630. 4240. 4055. Now that's some big tires. 4-wheel drive. 730 diesel. 4440. 4010. Now that's a 5020. 730 diesel. A B and A. And another A. 720. An M.
from the cold start. They're going
A
to say 3, 2, 1, go. You're
4310
gonna pick
diesel
that
with
stall
a
up,
cab.
and the first person, or the fastest person to make 3 cuts,
A B.
3 complete cuts to a full circle within 6 inches of wood.
I guess
will
an A
win.
or
So if
B.
you cut over, you're not going to make. You're going to be disqualified. You cut out.
Nice wagon.
I'm going to hand this over to Alex Storm.
A B.
Yeah, so
And
thanks,
another
Zach,
B.
for that little intro on Hot Dog here. You're going to see a bit of a dichotomy between these two Sawyers here in this first
A
heat.
B.
We've got a very experienced
420.
Zach Krause on stand 1.
630.
And then we've got a younger competitor.
An A.
A young, hungry competitor.
630.
Hungry stall. And we'll see if he is able to
4020 diesel.
hunger with his hunger and control that beast.
720.
310 pounds. You might
An
be
R.
a little hungry, buddy. Let's see if he can rein that saw in.
A B.
And that's efficiency with his saw.
A G.
So these two saws are about the same size in terms of overall.
An H. An A. A 4020. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Right there. 4320. 730. I believe an A. 530. An H, and an H, and another H, and a completely other H, formal H.